This was a dream, 5-6 years ago.
This advancement, this continued growth, both in the economy, the science, the medicine, the capability here.
This just is like a dream come true finally.
All across this Commonwealth, our students are celebrating together as one College of Medicine.
I graduated with a degree in mathematical economics, and I got sick, and that kind of threw me into the healthcare system, and I got to see what the patient and physician relationship was.
I decided I wanted to go into some kind of specialty or career that really allowed me that everyday contact with people.
Every day I get to wake up and make a positive difference in somebody's life. You're the healers. You're there in those worst moments of those people's lives, and you can be a positive difference maker.
And so I think it was my relationship with my physicians that really prompted me to want to pursue this.
Even when I was in it was really hard, I looked forward to that bond that I would have with my future patients.
The idea of having a four-year campus in Bowling Green just truly does show the power of what the University of Kentucky College of Medicine can do, working with our partners.
It's wonderful to have a medical school here in Bowling Green. The level of faculty and students and the expertise that they bring has certainly made the community stronger.
The chance to help build a program from the ground up in Bowling Green was truly a dream come true.
Anytime you add a College of Medicine, you elevate the ability to think about the future, how we continue to advance. And it's exciting to me to see and to think about the future.
I'm part of the first group to come through here. I'll be part of the initial graduating class.
We're the first to do anything here in Bowling Green really revolving around the College of Medicine.
I'm so proud of our inaugural class and that we finally have reached this day.
I chose Bowling Green because I really wanted a small community feel, but I wasn't ready to give up all of the resources that an institution like UK had.
I got a call from the office saying, hey, we've got the new program in Bowling Green. We think you'd be a great fit.
I heard about this great opportunity to stay in my hometown.
Our students are able to do that in a state-of-the-art facility.
We are in real time interacting with our professors, and so everything is streamed from Lexington to Bowling Green.
In the classroom, they have microphones in front of each person where if you have a question in the middle of lecture, boom, you're one microphone touch away.
Students have 24/7 access to our buildings.
We have easy access to a community health system right here, Med Center Health.
Hands-on point-of-care ultrasound training, working with simulated patients to learn how to do medical interviews and do physical exams.
But then also it's smaller class sizes. It's more intimate. They all get to know each other. They're all best friends versus a much larger class size in Lexington.
I hope what we've been able to do here is to create an atmosphere of a supporting community.
We're able to build a relationship with all of the members of the office, and then you're in a class with only 30 students.
Family connections really form naturally.
You get to know everyone, know their husbands or their wives or their partners, their cat and dog names.
Anytime we had a question or a need that came up, administration was literally right across the hall.
I know my dean personally, I know my student affairs coordinator personally.
We get all of the resources and all of the excellence that comes with the University of Kentucky, but we also get to be in a small group and build the relationships in a small family atmosphere.
Match day is the day that medical students all across the country find out where they're first going to be practicing as physicians. They find out where they're going to do their residency training.
In the life of a med student, match day is almost bigger than graduation.
So we're celebrating in Bowling Green, in Moorhead, Kentucky, and Lexington, all across this Commonwealth. Our students are celebrating together as one College of Medicine.
When I think about tomorrow, I think my family would be really proud because they know how much work and sacrifice it has been.
This is the first ever match day at the Bowling Green campus, and we cannot wait for this to happen.
We've all gone through these 4 years together, and to be with my peers, it's going to be really special.
There are certain phrases that mark the rhythms of our lives. Phrases like, I do. It's a boy, it's a girl. I love you, Dad. Phrases once said, I never forgot it. Today, you've experienced one of those phrases. I matched at ... You will never forget that feeling.
I matched into emergency medicine at the University of Kentucky.
I matched at the University of Kentucky Adult and Child Psychiatry Integrated Track.
I feel like a proud parent of all these students.
Absolutely ecstatic. That was my number one.
The medical students will have a positive impact on the health and well-being of Kentuckians for generations to come.
To know that it's all paid off and that we're all going to have these great adventures for the next 3 to 5 years is just, there's no words for it.
If you had to go back and reapply to med school, would you do it the same way? And absolutely, I would want to come back here.
Establishing of the campus here in Bowling Green just continues to reiterate the College of Medicine's mission of Kentucky for Kentucky. And they're truly taking the education for physicians to different areas of the state.
An extreme sense of gratitude, not only for the education I received, but the people I've met along the way.
We've done it. We've put in the hard work. We are ready for it. We're ready to take care of our patients and really change lives. And I can't wait to see where we all go in the next 5, 10 years, lifetime.
Go forth into the world and do all the good that you can. And I know that you're going to go forward and do amazing things in the patients that you take care of, the leaders you become in your communities, and the educators that you already are of the students and residents who will follow you. Just never stop doing those things and know how proud of you we all are.